Hello and welcome to this one and only case. So we're gonna do outing now. We start with today. So talk earlier I spoke earlier in class we discuss static routing and the different type of routing. I will do this video which just focus on the different types of static routing and then the next video will come with talk about MV, PIG, and RSPF. So we can just continue with this for now. So I'll just replicate the topology we used in class. So topology this we get like three routers here, three different routers. And just put this down. Yeah, three routers. Yeah. We get some each like switching devices at the back of each. So yeah, you get those. Yeah, get switch here, switch. You can just add like random with like two device on each part. So you get two device. Device on each part, yeah. So they add these devices there that we use just to make a quick one. So we start just to use this electric automatic cable. Just quick one. One 0 to 0. Okay. Sorry. So we need to see no mechanic for our way for it suitable for we for understand or so the interface will picks up. So since I like devices so we use like crossover. So one, so one. Sorry, shit. Three. Okay, so say has 0 to 0. 1 to 1, yeah. And then 2 to 2 here. To 2. But I have to just copy it, like just. Yeah, so we just take off your configuration for a second. So do the link them all together. And yeah, this is just a simple topology. Okay, so now we can discuss the different types of MDF, static house, so static. Sorry, sorry. This static house. We get one we can summarize that is simple static. We get simple static. We get float static. We get default static. Anyway, later. So this is different type of one. The first the three. We'll do it three like this one here now. So also this environment you just put addresses, IP address. So this is the network one, IP address 192.168.1.0. Yeah, so see this is the network two. got network two, sorry, 192.168.2.0, and then this is network three, network three, 192.168.3.0. These are all slash 24. The all slash 24. I'm gonna put slash one all slash 24. All slash 24. So yeah, slash 24 slash 24. And then we'll continue now with this network one, network three. This is network four. And this is between router one and router two. Just say network four. IP address 1.2.0.0.0 slash 30, or since just because it's a flow with RTBC slash 29, it just can be also to the one after 3.0.0.0.0.0 slash 29, 23, 2.0.0.0 slash 29. So this is basically the topology we do in our class. So and this so these are info down. So that we just say public IP address is the public one. Give us police party again. We can just take sorry, let me just put IP address by the outside there. So we just say command line by IT outside. No, enable config. See this interface for this first network one. We see interface Jesus slash 2 IP add 192.168 dot 1.255.255.255.0. We get this interface IP to IP address. Since we use 0 is after to 1. So IP address, no shots, but put on the router on. So as you see, the color don't change to this. It was red now, it don't change now to this wire. So now we can just do the same for all the network two here. We just like which is so say network two, our line internal enable config T interface with interface G0 slash 0. And then you can send this network for network two associate IP address 192.168.2.2.1 or dot one, yeah, so that's taken away 255.255.255.0. No shorts, the quality can change. So we don't do for network 2, we do back for network 3 now. Yeah, okay, for network 3, so say no, no, enable config T interface G 0 slash 1 IP add 192.3.1.255.255.255.0. No shots. Uh-huh. So no shots, that's okay right now. So like we the support to the we don't get the our IP like our service this network care service network care, I don't service this back service network care. But I'm big a service network care. So back to router one. we say into router one, we go for the network. Uh, four, we say interface G 0/1 for network four. IP add 12.0.0.1 255.255.255. All those were dot 255 dots. Let me just look for subnet max for the subnet max for slash 29 is two so it's 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8, which is 248 dot 248. No shot. We got it didn't come out right here because it's partial day off. So it's only day for the network 5 up say int g 0/1. Just copy, just take this address here, just change this to 3. No shots. Right, it's actually come out. Jesus slash. Wait, sorry, I don't make mistake. I don't make a mistake, sorry. So this is the Jesus slash line for Kandungi here. This one up here at Jesus, so not one to at Jesus, so I don't make mistake. Sorry with that. So Jesus slash 0. I forget it's IP 12, so now you can up here. Sorry for the mistake though. Like please correct this mistake, sorry for that. No shots. So yeah. So kind of like this house I just clicked on the data when you select what do we go for when you go to router 2 that like 1.2 when you can to router 3 the 1.13 or IP address of the slash 29 normally. So coming to this router 2 and now we have to try to fail like the device to say the one you carrying to this router that G0 slash sorry let me just bigger. You already cancel router for G0 slash 0 so say interface G0 slash 0 IP add 12.0.0.2 because we don't use dot one here, so these are dot two now. 255.255.255.248 blue shots. In this of the carbon atom. So you can now do for this now. You to use color for router 2 to router 3 that we say that G0 slash 2 so the interface G0 slash 2 IP add 23.0.0. This one will make it easy for this. So just say I dot 2 because we use 24. You use for not use one more like one will be confusing. So don't just use for out 2 like one. So say yeah 2.255.255.255.248. No chance. You can also use slash that if you want, but this are just like an easier address because like since it's out to know say oh these are dot 2, these are dot 2 immediately. Then we'll make out with dot 2, you make it try go confuse it for you. And I just have because not so not true. But if you use like slash that, you can use one, and you use two number one is like just practical. So going to router 3 now, and yeah, go continue. So do I go to router for this network 5 will say an interface G0/1 IP add 13.0.0.3 or yeah, so I think that's 3 that's 255 that's 255 that's 255 dots 248 no shots. Now come on, do the same thing back for this interface G0/2 IP add 23.0.0.3.255.255.255.248 no shots. Okay, so we don't put the IP address inside the router. So the router one here do like we go down for C for like we don't do like all this. Like we go out for shape for see like whole like for go see the I would say now. So the command for see different router we need for like the networks the way router one look for see for good. So I just say this to router one. This to router two. So understand. So router one and for one that they for see the router is I will just say show IP routes. This command I for see the different command, the different routes, the different networks we do. So say entire big this one a little bit. So okay, see now like the C stand for connected, the L stand for local. Local means like these are like the local one you just see like the local like the interface. Right? When you connected you now and connected and like the network the way it connects to. So the local and the interface of itself that you connected now and for the one you connect to. So this route network for router one connects to, so you can see from here. You can see from here. Okay, this is just excuse me. So you can see from this outer one, you can see outer one here. So you can just bigger end up with a symbol. It connects to this, it connects to 1.3, it connects to 1.1. So yeah, this are all the network say you already sabi basically. This is how they show like the network say we sabi. Like network they sabi for good, the wood they sabi like the one we sabi for user all that day. Like it show you like say the subnet back with sabi the sorry the interface back with sabi for go all that day. So since like the IP address, so just changes the device they get the IP address quick one, and then we can standard the routing purpose. So this is now 192.168.1.10. So yeah, this switch are so kaya 2011 192.168.1.11. Copy this. I don't use it for me now for paste. So I can just carry this one is up to so you can just say the stop. These are just for put IP address. If you don't know if you're for do this case, keep this part of the cancel networking like the starting the static IP that fine one. Just so I like, get the basics they confirm. Yeah, so after this section we can start the routing. Left two devices there. So if any question you can ask her like in the comments I'll watch by five for like correct. So like stop. We're almost done now. So it's dot 10 to play complementary. So control C. Sorry, not 11. He's will put the same IP address. They say oh the address is already in use, so you're supposed to yeah, like for user two IP addresses. So now you get this done. So now we can like start now for yeah. So now we can start out for the routing process now. So now already know like we can start with static IP. So right now at the moment like with just a simulation here. This person from here to yeah, you know able because they failed. We fail. If we want to do something safe, I had other if we want to do something. So if the simulation you fail, and this will use more when you the for something when you fail. Basically all this stuff of fail like you know for work. Now, so before I've worked for items by any devices there for the default gateway. So bear with me here. So say the default gateway that the one we use for the router we select with this like this wire for go and do you do for the Angular default gateway. So you can just for this network here. Don't use network here, you know, like this 2.1. So you go inside your back 2.1. So if you use a DHCP, it will be this all will be put information late you go give. But after this, we go do DHCP as a routing, so it can be select easier and simple path. So no, okay. So do this back. These are three. Let's just see this where. So so all these are linked to the gateway there for lemon for legs. I was for escape from one I don't like for that. If I think for it takes it from better, but not if so. So this is the like we can start the outside at 5 hours. So if you do a simulation still back, if we do a simulation back still, you go see say if we would say for say from here to here, it fail. I mean actually it just for fail because so just try. Only something keep on gateway now, they can say I gateway now, you know, if you message on remove. You can't say this gateway, but it's say I never set to this outside. The outside you know, say for say like so back in the upper, like you know some this network here. So you see he drop already on some side the network the already. So enjoy the packages. So for those so the app don't go for see this car app request here. When you say that the actual message is here, they go now. You can see the the message because you know having the route for this one into the 168.210. So you drop by your signature by you can say that it cause you know drop the message will go. So now we start with the static routes. So the static route they talk about basically the network they way you know. So anyway for the type I can just use a notebook, notepad, sorry, and just like type. Yeah, it just like fairway and type. Okay, fine. So just IP address. Just so we just say half of one is simple. So just say this is the first one, the simple one. So say IP routes. Then the network, the destination network we want make it do. So you make it do what say that you want to do this net, you know, sabbi this net is how in case how this network and buy. So three routes this will say 192.168.2.0. They'll put the subnet 255.255.255.0. That's it. So this router was automatically serving this network here. But then they will make next serving this network here, this network in the BI. So do the same thing. Control C, Control V, Control V, we can edit there. About that. So we just have to edit start routing. So we just say instead of you know it's at this, so pull out. I just want don't type out all again. You want to type out all these. Like I just want to be like easy. So say dot 0.0.0 so for eight. No, see. So this router also basically now is like this router, yeah. Router one you can't submit this router network two get is two. You can submit it on the 23. Here you can see there. Then the one you router one is having like this and this. So that you can submit this, you can submit this, you can submit this. So you just copy this IP out so that we go inside router one now and try for get back to global configuration mode like a paste. Oh, sorry. You see, I forget. Sorry, I forget. I forgot to put like the cipher pass, the interface. Sorry. So I forgot to put the interface. Okay, just say the next up for this can be 13 dots for Kaya. Just so you use this one 13 dots, dot 0 dots, dot 3 for Koya. We just so sorry. This one easy for me. We just put anyway, just put the same dot back on the same this. Therefore, we just put some more 12. Dot o dot two. So vocab we can use any of it. You use this one, use this one. It depends what you are using. We can use this one because I think the same or people are the same one. We can just use it depending which one you are use. So that would therefore use this as example for the flow so you cancel the flow parts. But this I don't just do this. So just so I copy this. So I'll get it out. You can say yeah. Say paste time. It shouldn't be any error now. So that when you get like yours already. So if I come back into I get some time for load for the attitude. So if I come back into like this time I just say show IP out remember with this command here. Now you see like multiple networks on kind of if I open we can select S stand for static. So Sabi had the 23. Then I connect this network and this network and Sabi there. Sabi AC was saying Sabi back the 19 to the one Sabi the 20 Sabi the 3. It now say dot two is it connects to Vi. So you connect dot two connect by this connect by this. So you can't just say dot two dot zero connect by dot three. So like this dot here like this for Kaya. This dot two here is for Kaya sign. Like they show you like different side with the IP route they show you like the only way they take for Kaya side. So these are static IP routes. This so I can do that for all like the other routers there now, and then we just yeah we just like try that for like way for make it fast. Because if you don't know, yeah, for just topology, but if you don't know, you know, do bopper, and that's okay. So I can stop video back. So if I just do this for outer two, this route, sorry, outer two, this router, yeah. Well, back, this router back sabi this is sabi this sabi this, but you know sabi network one, sabi network two, sabi this network, yeah. So you can be sabi now. So you just put this one dot zero. So I don't want to type these we can I do all this. I don't want to type for all one by one. Like it goes too exhausting for me for do. But the best thing for do is just type out one by one. Now I can do first. I can do this one. Like I type out, don't just see like how easy it's like a complicated add photo. So say call. Okay, what time now? So say IP out one kind of say IP out 192.168. Dot one dot zero 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot zero. When I use now this Wodia for Kaya, this network, this one are for Kaya now. So we do use this and this network interface here. I do can use this one. This IP address so that would 12 dot o dot 12 dot o dot o dot one. This are dot two wire dot two wire dot one. So use the dot one there for cow buyer. So just say enter that static IP out is so easy for them. Yeah, so just do the same thing for car network 2. I just call it back. I just edit now. See network 2, where this the I just make a mistake, so just say no. I explain the number gist now. So action police everything. So not just call this one back, just say two. And these are for go to this network. Okay, just say like just pass this one because this that's how they call it. I'll just say one police and this network out there, network two. We use this where you say so you say 3.0.0.3. These are dot two, these are dot three. So easy for all of enter this and you know just say okay, this and this. Okay, I press enter, it's working. Okay, the money show say oh money work we can go now. So carry back this dot three, you just so you pass this I want to just so pass this back. You pass it to the three, just so change the IP address now. We are 1 3 dots. O dot O dot O who change his subnet max to 5.255.255.248. And so use not the same way for the same route for it. So it's doing that this part here. So for Kaya with the same with Kaya said I had this and I have for me. So after press enter it works now. So I can carry out a three back and do the same thing back all that for to do. So say enable conf we'll say IP out so can so one and two dot 168.1.0 255.255.255.0. What for next up down there? Yeah, this sabi this is sabi this. So that's how can you so say use this where or sabi this. So that next up put use like IP addresses what we use. You can also use a port but it is an IP addressing. Or who change as okay, this one use IP address. Sorry, don't use IP address. You can change also like interface now we can use now for this for the this route as I mean this network and this network and we can use a ports now. So we can say the difference. I will not use that first IP addresses now, just like the IP address of this other one and the other one use for like gets to before gets to this. So now for ports, sorry for like interface now. And then they can say interface you use. So this interface G0 slash one. So I can just say G0 slash one. So yeah, this is just to say like what you say, like default route without a gateway is not a point, if not a point, but this is just to say okay, now if this is use default route, like get gateway, it's more like we can't do this pattern later. So we get to this network here using this ports, this interface here. So we can just do the same thing for okay, just do the same thing for this dot three by there, dot three with the over here, yeah, right there. Which I make compa ports G0 slash 0 dot slash 2 G0 slash 2. This one here, but like in a default class, we will do this default of your static routes right now we do. So if we use interface, it's more like say what if the IP address go down? What if the IP address when you use it go down? Like, since you change the IP address, we just say okay, you port somebody, this port somebody only, and now they send it out through now for just send that port somebody now. It's all that interface. You say that interface. We need to get network one outside for go or something for like they say use this network for this like just what you say, well, use the what's here for one other side. And like somebody so as so since we can carry out to this the network for they use now the same port, the same interface. So say 12.0.0.0 dot 248. So I say now show I say do show IP routes. You see like this where you see look at static route. 1 12.0.0.29 is directly connected via internet ports G0/2, so it is out for Mia for Kaya. They don't say for where Kaya. So we go back to the same thing. Static 192.168.1.0. This one is directly connected to gigabit port G0/1 and this port here. So we can apply this router. So we use IP address now. We just say do show IP routes. You see something will say like the almost like similar but it's different. You'll say how they if for just submit this address, I will say that for you see static routes like yeah, 113.0.0/29 is what up is connected by this. So for it is say for Kaya now they use network Kaya with Kaya now use for Kaya. So like I saw they basically try for telling you that say oh this. So you also like the difference. If you get the question, just ask the messenger and the answer. They for use the interface and for use now the IP address and this basically. So the video panel I just try for like stop and static like start floats like at next video. So we also have a simulation and just say get simulation. We can see like how you can also say from this laptop to this PC here. So we just say play when you say it's also the switch you can flood that I had to because sometimes I for the IP address. If not, we will not cover this for the party announcement. So you see app inside Apple request per car, the app request say yeah using no no app request basically the app request can answer now. They are saying that the actual messages, the actual message you are send. You need to switch the it's the router, then the router you can see out for see it's a way for group and this network can vie using this. See, it's going. Now you say app, they say app for sale again, say MAC address basically. So wait, something happened. Let me just check again. See, Apple not showing. So let me just check and see. So for say one send for me. Look, that's the first. So let's also let's talk for so full can come on here. This only take time. Let me just do a ping. Sorry. Time if I go find video, it's almost done. So no, just this IP address for this laptop and not 2.11. So you can do that PC and we can type for internal for this laptop here. So say it's a PC. We want a command prompt to say a 192.168.2.11. You can pick basically try for ask that video or not try for get a message from her. So now you see the message that you can have from this laptop here.